Hello, wanderers! Today's episode of our BICOL tour is in Cagsawa, and this is the Cagsawa Ruins. You can read more about the history of this resilient belfry in the description of this video. In the vicinity, you can find some stores and restaurants where you could try some Bicol delicacies like pancit bato and the not so famous chili ice cream. I tried it too, just to kill my curiosity. Walang sili. Ano na lasa yung sili? Hindi lasa. Ayun na, umagat na. Anghang pero okay lang. Time for our ATV ride. There are 3 different courses here with prices ranging from 600 pesos to 4,000 pesos depending on the duration and the distance of the course. And we chose the longest and the most expensive because hiking and zip lining were already included. You can have a choice of riding individually, or just like me, I chose to ride along with my sister because I still have a trauma due to my ankle injury. For every group, there is an assigned guide to help you navigate the course. Sila yung guide namin and nagkataong taga-Pangasinan din sila. By the way, kami lang talagang dalawa ng kapatid ko ang kumuha ng course na to. Yung iba kinuha nila yung mas maiksi at mas mura na course. Since this is a very long ride, meron akong ginawang separate video about our ATV ride. Sana panoorin nyo rin. Para dito sa video na to, mga highlights na lang ipapakita ko sa inyo sa rides namin. Let's go! And we finally arrive at Mayon Black Lava Zipline Adventure. First, we have to hike up a mountain to get near the Mayon Volcano. Somehow, I got a bit worried because there are no sticks to assist me with my climb. Remember, I had an ankle surgery. But because this course has a point of no return, so I have to go through with it. There is no turning back. Let's do it.
Uy, pataas pa.
Sige ma'am, portay ka muna ma'am. Upo muna kayo. Sige.
Nalimutan namin yung tubig. Oh, good. Pili ko kasi pati nagdaman ng gusto mo na. Okay.
Pwede naman kayo nagpapakulit ng mga parang.
Sa buong tour ko dito sa Bicol, I think dito yung pinakamarami kong pinagpapicturan. I feel so close to the Mayon Volcano. It's really beautiful. And kinakalma ko muna yung sarili ko kasi susunod na yung ating ziplining. Correct? Magzi-zipline tayo. This is the fastest way to go down or else mag-hike down ulit tayo and I don't want to do that. So let's brave it up.
1, 2, 3, go!
Pagkababa, we rested, we drank Coke, we took some pictures, and ready to go back to the base. Well, enjoy the rest of the ride, and I'll see you next time for our next video on our BICOL tour. So, thank you for watching Wandering Tangler. Bye!